Hi, this is Slater and you're watching a video about power systems in new Tekkit. If you've been playing Tekkit Classic or Feed the Beast, then you're probably missing Industrial Craft's solar panels. Now in Tekkit, all machines use Buildcraft's Minecraft Joule system. This means you will be getting your energy from one of 5 basic engines: the Redstone engine, Stirling engine, Combustion engine, Steam engine, or Magmatic engine. The Redstone engine needs no fuel, but doesn't produce a lot of power, so is only useful in a small handful of situations. When you're starting out, Stirling engines will be the place to start, as they produce energy while burning coal and other fuels. Combustion and steam engines produce more power, but also require water for cooling. Personally, I skip those and move to magmatic engines as quickly as possible, which run directly on lava, either from a bucket or a pipe. So the next question is, where do you get your lava? It's possible you'll be lucky enough to find some underneath your house, but that probably won't last very long. On this server, we decided it was best to set up a pumping station in the Nether, which brings us to one of the most useful additions I've seen: the Ender Tank. It works much the same as an Ender Chest, with its contents available wherever the colour code matches, but it does so with liquids. We pump lava into the tanks, and then each player adds an Ender Tank to the network when they need more lava. Our pump used to be round here, but we've used so much lava at this point we had to move it. If we nip outside and turn the jetpack on, we can go and have a look at the massive crater of lava that we created without burning ourselves. And over here, just quickly to the north, is our new pumping station. Magmatic engines do have one drawback. If they are left pumping for too long, when there is nowhere for the energy to go, they will conk out and need a whack with a wrench to continue. To counteract this, in addition to the tank buffer back at the Nether base, we also added a computer to only turn on the pump at certain intervals. The magmatic engine can be told to stop with a redstone signal. So we've got engines and fuel for them. Now we need to get the power we're generating out to all your machines. To start with, you can just connect your engines directly to your machines, but eventually you're going to want more power than that. Most of us have now centralised our power generation and are teleporting power where we need it using energy tesseracts. These transport energy around just like the Ender Tanks do for liquids, although to make these unique you use a frequency number rather than a colour code. My power is arriving in this tesseract from my power station, then being transferred into this redstone energy cell, which is basically a giant battery. The energy is then drawn out by the redstone energy conduit to the machines as needed. Don't worry about all the additional piping around here at the moment. You can try to use conductive pipes to transfer energy instead, but at the moment there's a bug or feature causing the energy to get stuck sometimes, requiring the pipe to be replaced. I recommend switching to redstone energy conduit as soon as possible. Personally, I hid my power plant away in a pocket dimension, but where and how you lay them out is up to you. I have lava coming in from the Nether via Ender Tanks. This is pumping into the magmatic engines. The energy then outputs into the conduits, which is transferred into the tesseract for use elsewhere. One thing to note about connecting redstone conduit to engines is the connection mode. Let's get me a wrench out. When you place a pipe, the connection will be blue and pointing to the engine. You will actually get power in this mode, but it's technically input mode, which we didn't realise for quite a while. If you switch your pipe over to the orange output mode with a quick right click from your wrench, you'll get much more power out of the system, and that will allow you to run your machines for much longer. So that's the overview of power systems complete. Thanks for watching. Click Bob in the bottom left to return to the video menu, or click here to learn about dimensional doors.